to one and all. Once again, on behalf of Somyaji Group, I welcome you all to this very special occasion. Before we start this beautiful evening, I would like to take this wonderful opportunity to talk about Somyaji Group. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bangalore-based Somyaji Group, a private limited holding, is a brainchild of Krishna Somyaji, a highly accomplished management professional with rich experience of 2 decades, fostered the thought of setting up a business encompassing strong customer-centric values and high-end quality service club with on-time delivery. The desire to build ideas into company of multi-faced offering is what the Somyaji Group brings to the table. The group and its only subsidiaries focus on diversified business lines, technology, specializing in payments domain through Somyaji Techno Labs, ATM site construction, LTVC funding, etc. through Somyaji Ventures, and creative business through Somyaji Creatives. Ladies and gentlemen, targeting multiple verticals like banking, insurance, government, education and entertainment and media, globally using the best of talent, conviction and dedication of seasoned professionals from respective verticals. And last but not the least, Somyaji Foundation, a charitable organization which provides the group an opportunity to give back to the society. The group is steered with very strong and capable board of advisors whose diverse experience in the world of technology, finance and banking proves to only assure the group's smooth sail in today's competitive Indian business platform. The group, under its vision, plans to work with its best talent, conviction, and common pool of resources to provide a world-class illustration of the best customer experience. With this, let's start this beautiful occasion in an auspicious way. For the inaugural prayers, I would like to invite Srimati Neeraja Srinivasan, Srimati Lata Ravichandran. Ma'am, I would request you to please come over near the podium. Let's welcome them with applause.
Pradhana Roop Ganeshan se Omkara Pradhana Roop Ganeshan se He Tini Devan se Janmasthana Omkar Pradhana Roop Ganeshan se Akar tu Brahma Ukar tu Vishnu Makar Mahesha Janiela Akar tu Brahma Ukar tu Vishnu Makar Janela Omkar Pradhana Roop Ganeshan se Aise din hi deva Jeshoni utpanna Aise din hi deva Jeshoni utpanna Tohaga janana Maya Bapa Tohaga janana Maya Bapa Omkar Pradhana Roop Ganeshan se Tukhamane si Ahe Vedvani Tukhamane si Ahe Vedvani Pahavi Purani Vyasa China Pahavi Purani Vyasa China Omkar Pradhana Roop Ganeshan गणेशांचे हे तिन्ही देवांचे जन्मस्थान ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशांचे.
Srinivasan ma'am, I would request you to please come for the prayers.
श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपादमे शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपादमे शरणु. कमला सती मुख कमल कमलहित कमल प्रिया कमलेक्षण. कमला सती मुख कमल कमलहित कमल प्रिया कमलेक्षण. कमलासनहित गरुड गमन श्री कमलनाभनि पद कमल में शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नि श्रीपाद में शरणु. परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर. परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर. परमात्मा परमानुरूप श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरिदेव. परमात्मा परमानुरूप श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरिदेव शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नि श्रीपाद में शरणु. It's me to see all our esteemed guests who have braved Bangalore's traffic to be here with us in support of us, and to see all our old friends, new acquaintances, all our well-wishers here with us. This is indeed a turning point in our lives and is not just a regular function, and hence it is very important for us to have your continual support and encouragement. So please be with us, not only during the function, but always with us. Thank you.
God's blessing. Let's start this beautiful occasion. Let's seek His blessings by lighting the lamp. To do the honor, I would request all the guests for today to come over and light the lamp. a trustee for both Cancer Trust Hospitals and Bangalore and Pondicherry. He also served as General Secretary for Federation of Film Society of India. He was formerly the District Governor and National Secretary of Apex India and former ASAPC Regional Secretary of World Council of Service Club. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Let's welcome Mr. Ramamurthy Mani, our chief guest for today, to please come on the stage. Let's welcome him with applause. Sir, I would request you to please come over here. for the corporate logo launch. Ladies and gentlemen, chief guest with the corporate logo launch. Thank you for joining this evening with us, sir, today. So I would request you to speak a few words.
Thank you. And I know Krish for last 1 decade, and in my professional as well as through the cultural side. When Krish approached with the idea that he should put his dream into reality and pursue the passion, in fact, that's what he has put in the invite. I said, why not? Because everybody is dreaming. Yeah, dreaming is good, but we should also put into action if it is necessary. That's why I told him. Of course, it was about 6-7 months ago. We met in Bombay in the early morning over a cup of coffee and discussed this. I told him what are the ways we can go ahead. At that time, he left the earlier organization, was serving in HCL. Of course, I don't want to detail all those things. Coming to dream and reality, people ask question, will I? Probably Krish went ahead and said, when will I? That's why we are here to inaugurate the empire which is dreaming of. People again, we are all again where we deserve. Probably our desires are more, but we end up in what we deserve. So how you convert that desire into deservedness is what Krish is going to do. Probably you should follow that CDSE, that's what we call in management theory. Continued, directed, self-motivated effort. Probably he'll do that. And we are all here to support him in guiding him, directing him, reminding him of his goal and dreams. I wish only success for Krish, and thank you for the opportunity given to me. I am always with you. Thank you.
To speak about Soumya-ji, and let's also welcome her with applause. Mani madam.
As an off dress, because all of you are off dress. Anyway, I first salute Almighty for the opportunity given to me today. This is a city where I was born, and I'm having the proud privilege of addressing the elite of this beautiful city, garden city, today with something called an epithet, Soumya-ji. Now, before I venture into what's Soumya-ji, I would like to relate myself to Krishna Soumya-ji. I am his cousin. My mom and his dad are brother and sister. And we have a very great Soumya-ji who has given this, passed this legacy and heritage of the title Soumya-ji, my erstwhile grandfather, who was a chief engineer and who stood with a gold medal in the combined presidency of Madras or Chennai and Andhra Pradesh, with a gold medal from Guindy Engineering College in civil engineering. He was the architect of the Southern Railway, now what we are trying to travel in. He was the architect of the Dandakaranya, demolishing and constructing constructing and demolishing, decentralization, centralization. He was an epithet himself. Working under the British, not like a slave, but like a patriarch. He who stood for the value of the Indian patriotic culture, and he had a checkered life despite his geniosity. He is par excellence to Shakuntala, who is considered as a computer genius. He could multiply thousands of numbers into thousands of numbers and give the answer instantaneously within seconds. That was his might. So today, the Somayaji we are looking at is a reflection of the great-grandfather whose epithet he is going to shoulder and create something called Somayaji Group. Now, before I introduce the Somayaji, I would like to give you a small insight into contemplation in action is innovation. Now, Mr. Somayaji, the junior, is contemplating, and he has already contemplated, so his dream has taken into a real form today with the Somayaji Group. Now, guests, please forgive us for that spelling mistake. The word has to be an epithet. It has been spelled as etiquette. Sorry for that spelling mistake. I will be reading to you the Somayaji and how the title has evolved and what R. Krishna Somayaji is going to do to the society of India to make it dream, not to make it a reality. All the youth are going to be inspired by him and become entrepreneurs to reckon and a force. He's going to create a chain of human resource. He is going to be the might of today and the future of tomorrow. Now let me get into what's Somayaji. The epithet Somayaji is a title assigned to or achieved by a person performed the Vedic ritual of Soma Yajna. Hence, the descendants of the actual Somayaji are blessed souls who inherit the precious and prestigious heirloom without really having to perform a Soma Yajna. Yajnas are performed as an act of worship to the god, thanking them for their grace and kindness. They are invoked to help the well-being of the self and planet at large. Somayaji is an educant in pursuit of excellence with a bhavana or urge which arises in the prospective sacrificer who performs certain yajna for a given purpose to obtain the phala or the result. A Somayaji has the qualities of a leader in an organizer initiating action with a pioneering spirit, equipped to lead with an independent, creative, universal and selfless humanitarian outlook. History offers a host of Somayajis. To quote a couple of among them, the Tikkana Somayaji, a legendary poet who contributed his might to enrich literature, was the second poet of the trinities of poet Kavitrayamu, who translated Mahabharata into Telugu over a period of several centuries. The second Somayaji which we are trying to introduce is another icon. Nilakanta Somayaji offered a lot to enrich the field of mathematics and science. Somayaji Group's MD and CEO Krishna Somayaji is one such descendant, aspiring to systematize his efforts to achieve his dreams through Somayaji Group as a gift to every dreamer on this planet Earth. Let all our dreams come true, and let Somayaji's dream of becoming a real entrepreneur and a founder of a foundation, let it go into a banyan tree, and let us all be part of that. Thank you so much.
Natyam is dance. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest form of classical dance from Tamil Nadu. We have Kumari Shweta Ravichandran, disciple of Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Srimati Aralmelvalli, and she's going to perform today for us. Shweta was recent recipient of Scholarship for Dance Institute by Department of Culture, Government of India. Presently, she is also assisting her guru in teaching. She has performed at prestigious venues in Chennai. She's also a very, very talented singer, which we all know by now. Shweta learns Carnatic vocal music from her aunt and mentor, Savita Narasimhan, a leading Carnatic musician. Shweta holds master degree in English literature. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Shweta. Shweta would also introduce her performance, then she would perform. We will welcome Shweta with applause.
We commence this evening's dance program with a Pushpanjali, a salutation to the divine, the Guru, and the audience. This will be followed by a shlokam written by Mahakavi Kalidasa on Devi Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. After this, the Alaripu will be presented, which is a pure dance form based on rhythmic movements.